We are going to have a special display to welcome our guests to today's talk-making occasion. Akwa Ibom State, we know they carry last. When we want to present, we present. When we want to hold forth, we hold forth. Come on.
My name is Ambassador Konya Dofia. I'm a proud son of Akwa Ibom State. I am a proud son of the United States of Akwa Ibom in Nigeria. I am also the former public relations officer of Akwa Ibom State Community in Lagos, a convener of the CMC Africa Award of Excellence. I also consult for Rookie Castle, which is one of the outstanding young entrepreneurship platform. I am also managing Jim Ike. I manage Inedo. I manage Klaron Chukura.
All right, what does today mean to you? 35 years of Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom is 35. What does it mean to you?
Well, first and foremost, I want to say a very big congratulations to Akwa Ibom Indigene in Lagos, because clocking 35 years is not a child's play. Yeah. And of course, you know, for us to get to 35, we have passed through a lot of challenges in terms of building capacity, in terms of not even having our secretariat in terms of actually uniting our people. Because if you look at the country today, one of the major problems that the country is facing right now is about unity. And if you don't have unity, there is no way progress can come in. If you don't have unity, there is no way prosperity can come in. If you don't have unity, there is no way the nation can move forward. So at 35 years, the leadership of Akwa Ibom State Community in Lagos, piloted by Prince Felix Udo, has been able to unite our people. He has been able to conduct an election that has the women wing. We have an election that has the youth wing, which I was the former public relations officer, and Akwa Ibom is the best state we have in the country. So clocking 35 years is something that calls for celebration.
All right. Now the thing says Akwa Ibom beyond 2023. Harnessing talks about potential, talks about development, the growth. So what advice do you have for the next successor of Akwa Ibom State concerning, as he's meeting Akwa Ibom at 35, and he's coming in as a successor, the next successor of the governor? What advice do you have for him?
Well, if you listen to my interview on Arise TV, if you listen to my interview on Arise TV, if you also listen to my interview on Repower FM, you must have understand the fact that I call on the unity of Akwa Ibomites, because if you look at our polity today, a lot of our indigenes are divided. Some are in different parties. So the next government needs to unite our people. By uniting our people, that means the state will grow from strength to strength. And I also advise our people to get their PVC. When they have their PVC, on that day, go out and vote. Don't get your PVC and sit down in the house. Thank God for the not too young run bill that the government have also signed, which has actually opened doors for all the young people, all the great gladiators to actually contest, be voted, to vote and be voted for. So for me, I think the next government of Akwa Ibom State must run an inclusive government, must be able to, consolidate on what the current government of Mr. Udom Emmanuel has done by making sure they attract industries to Akwa Ibom. If you go to Akwa Ibom doesn't have industries, and we have the best capacity building in the country. So the government should be able to attract industrialization to the state, try to unite the people, try to also empower the people in Lagos here, because our people in Lagos here, like Nike, are very talented. They don't have any support from the government. The last time the government came there to lay the foundation building of AKISCOM under Udom Emmanuel, they dropped 50 million naira. But up till now, the 50 million naira the governor dropped for us, we don't even really understand. We don't know what is going on. So I think it is high time that we try as much as possible to bring in everybody to support the government.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. And before I go, I want to say, if you look at our government, like today, Banky W is coming. Banky W, who is contesting for PDP at Etiosa. The mother is from Akwa Ibom. We have a lot of Akwa Ibomites. Two-Face Libya, married from Akwa Ibom. Funsho Adiolu, one of the top Nollywood actors, married from Akwa Ibom. Then we have the likes of Honorable Desmond Elliott. He's married to Akwa Ibom. We have this guy, Otumba Yemi Sholade. He married from Akwa Ibom. We have so many, even this comedian, Hush Baby, you know Hush Baby, that works with AY. He married from Akwa Ibom. Imiedo also, before now, you know, he got a husband from, so we have a lot of people that can come in and actually support us, who are our in-laws. But I want to say a very big thank you to MLC TV for always supporting good causes like this. Because if we're supposed to talk about payment, they would have not been able to pay you, but you just want to give back to the society, you want to support us, and that is why you are here with your team. I want to also say a very big thank you to NTA. NTA has been one of the key supporters of our project. NTA, thank you very much. I want to also say a very big thank you to the Gladiators magazine, the Sun newspaper, AKISCOM TV, and everybody that are going to come out today to support us. I want to say God bless all of you.
Okay, can we meet?
My name is Akwa Ibom Anthony.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm a humanitarian development expert.
All right.
And I'm a mentalist and community service, everything.
Okay. All right. What does today mean to you as a woman?
As a woman, today means a whole lot for me to be alive first and to be able to celebrate my dear state. It's an honor, it's a privilege, it's very that I've wanted to be here today and here today. So it's a thing of blessing, a thing of joy, and I'm happy to be here.
Okay. Now the women in Akwa Ibom women in Lagos State, what has been their achievement for the past 35 years? Because I was made to understand that while Akwa Ibom was being created, this particular community too was coming up. So I also am the secretary for the Women Wing of Akwa Ibom State Community here in Lagos, and for us it's been a very big privilege for us to be among our people, being together and gathering together and communicating with ourselves, rejoicing with ourselves. It's an honor. So for us, it's a thing. It's a pleasure to be here. It's if you're not here with us, you are not here, and to be in the midst of our sisters and our brothers, our fathers, our uncles, our aunties. It's a blessing. Okay. Now, what does the thing mean to you as a woman and the entire woman of AKISCOM in Lagos?
And it means a whole lot for me in the sense that we are going to really, it's not just ending here today. It means that there is hope for our future. We have a whole lot that we are going to benefit from. We know that it's a continuum. We know that our future is going to be well planned, and there's a whole lot at start, that we are going to benefit from, not just from our state, from our community, from our people as a whole.
Okay. Now, what advice do you have for women in upcoming election? Normally, when it comes to election, for one reason or the other, you have more women come out to cast their votes, and the youth. So, what advice do you have for the Akwa Ibom women, the Akwa Ibom women in Akwa Ibom women in Lagos State, and the women as a whole?
My advice to our women is we should come out and march, come out and be with the people. Everyone should be involved. All hands must be on deck. It's not time gone. We shouldn't, rely on those times that we used to say, oh, it's not my business. Like people will say, let me use that word. Okay, body, come out. Let your voice be heard. Let your come and also take part in this. Make sure that what you do, as we are going out to run, vote the people, not tomorrow criticizing. Tomorrow you sit there and say, who is this person that is here? You have a preferred choice of anyone that you think you want to vote for. go and come out and vote. We encourage all our women to come out, our youth, everyone here in Lagos, go back home and make sure that your voice is heard. Make sure that your preferred candidate, your choice gets to win. Give that your choice a chance, not just staying and just hoping that you wish your choice would win, but your choice would go ahead and win with that one vote. That one vote to count. Don't just sit down and wish, but make sure that all are in everyone ensures that they go back home and vote, go back home and make sure that the vote counts. Thank you.